Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create use case diagrams effortlessly. Whether you are a student, a developer, or just someone curious about UML diagrams, this video is for you. So let us dive right in. The first step is to open your browser and head over to chat.openai.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you are there, you are ready for the next step. Now, let us command ChatGPT to generate a use case diagram for us. In the chat, type in your request. For example, give me a use case diagram about the phases of water in plant UML format. Make sure to spell plant UML correctly. Once you have entered your command, hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. Once ChatGPT has generated the diagram for you, simply copy the code it provides. Next, open a new tab and go to draw.io. This is where we will visualize our use case diagram. Click on the first option to access the drawing interface. Now go to Arrange, Insert, Advance, and select Plan UML Format. Paste the code you copied from ChatGPT into the box and click Insert. And lo and behold, you now have a basic use case diagram. Once you are happy with your diagram, do not forget to save it. Simply click on File and then Save to save it to your device. But wait, there is more. If you want a more complex diagram, you can simply ask ChatGPT for it. Just type in your request for a more detailed use case diagram, and ChatGPT will deliver. Once ChatGPT has generated the more complex diagram, repeat the same process of copying the code and passing it into draw.io. There you have it. That is how easy it is to create use case diagrams using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.